Hello, today we have with us Digitek shotgun microphone for DSLR. Its model number is a DSM 001. So let's see the specification. This is microphone use MS wide stereo sound, and let's see the frequency response is 30 to 15,000 megahertz. Sensitivity is 40 decibel, and output is 200 ohm. So let's open the box. So this is our microphone. This is a shotgun microphone which you can directly mount on DSLR with this cold shoe. In the meantime, I'll just show you how to mount it. So let's first see its feature. So this is the on off switch. This is removable. Let me show you the complete mic. This is the battery compartment. This is the CR2 battery, 3-watt CR2 battery. Okay, it's power on. So let's mount it on DSLR. This is the Nikon DSLR I have it. You can mount it, you can use it on any DSLR, you can mount it on any video camera also. It's not for any specific brand or any specific model. Just like flash, you mount it, and you can use it, obviously you can use it only if you have a mic jack in your camera. So this is the mic jack. Okay, so let's see if it's working or not. It's power on. Let's switch on my camera also. I'll go to show video menu. Now I'll go to the movie control, and I'll check sound option. So here it is, our microphone, and you can see it's sensing some audio. So if I tap on this, okay, so you can see it's completely working. It's we have set it to a manual sensitivity. if you put it on as normal, it's not recommended to put it on auto sensitivity. Otherwise, if your voice goes down or if your subject is not silent, microphone try to capture any room surrounding, and it will hamper your sound quality. So keep it on manual sensitivity while shooting. So this is a small size shotgun microphone from Digitek. It's available on our website photosquare.in. It's around 1700 rupees. You can buy it from there on cash on delivery or on prepaid. And please do subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions you can put it in comments, and we will try to answer those to our best knowledge. Thank you for watching PhotoSquare.